Hi, I'm Dr. Ahmed, and today I will share with you the story of Mr. Ijaz, who had bad food eating habits.
Horace, I'm hungry. Quickly make me pizza. Cheese pizza. With lots of pepperoni. Making, sir. Following your order. Horace, be quick. What is wrong with you? I'm hungry. I'm starving. Be quick. Food is here, sir. Food is here. Your favorite pizza with cheese and pepperoni. I love this food. I love this food. I'm hungry again. What to eat? Fries and maybe burger. Aris, make me french fries, burger, and some donuts too. Making, sir. Preparing your food. Yummy, yummy. I love this food. I'm gonna eat all of this. Oh my god. I feel so heavy. I feel really heavy. I can't burp. What to do? Let me try some exercise maybe. Maybe that can help. Let me walk. Let me try and walk. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. 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 Nothing worked, man. Nothing worked. I feel very heavy. Can't even burp. So that was Mr. Ajaz. Bad eating food habits that leads to a lot of problems. So it's for you to decide, what do you choose? Fruits, fresh fruits, vegetables, healthy food, or junk food.